Swaddy Cup and warm welcome. This is Lord Gifty here, and we have a problem studio in front of us. There are 2 points on an equation or on a line. Find the equation. So they have given us the points, and we have to find out the equation. Pretty easy it is. Now you can label these points with these. Now the first coordinate will be x. Obviously, you know that x1, and let's say the second one will be y1. And pretty similar to this will be x2. So I can just write it in an easier way. X1 is 4, while y1 is 0. X2 is 2, and y2 is 4. Okay, so these are the points given to us on a line. Now, first of all, if you want to find out the equation, you know that the general form of equation is y is equal to mx plus c or b, whatever they are teaching you at school. That up to you. C means constant, by the way. Now, so you need to find out m. If you want to find out m, actually, there is a formula. The formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Pretty simple. This is the formula. M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now we have y2, we have x2, we have x1. So let's see. How much is x2 and y2 and all these things? Y2 is 4. 4 minus y1 is 0. X2 is 2 and x1 is 4. So if we solve it out, you guys can know that you will get minus 2. 4 divided by minus 2 will be minus 2. That's what you will be getting. You have the value of m. Now, how do you get to the equation? Now, what you know that the equation is y is equal to mx plus c. You need to find out also now c. Now, you can actually, what you can do is you can use any point. Let's say I'm going to use this point, 4, 0. So let's say I use this point 4, 0 in this equation, okay? So let 4 means x, by the way. Now, so I'm going to use this point. Y is 0. M is, you guys know, minus 2. 2 multiplied by x is, how much is x? 4 plus c. All right? And if you try to solve it, the value of c you will get is 8. 4 multiplied by minus 2 will be 8. You will move the 8 to the next side and the value will be 8. Right, we got the value of m and we got the value of c. So the equation will be y is equal to m is minus 2 x plus 8. That is the equation. One more time, I'll go through it very quickly. Now they gave us points. They want us to find that equation. The first point, you can label it x1, second is y1, this one is x2, then is y2. I labeled them already. Now the next thing is you have to find out y is equal to mx plus c. You need to find out m first. If you would like to find out the m first, this is the formula here. Right? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, we got minus 2. Fine, we got m. And the next thing was how to find out c. In this similar equation, I will, substitute the values. So here, y is 0. That's why here y is 0. If you see y, if you compare this equation, y is equal to mx plus c, y is 0, x is 4, minus 2 multiplied by 4 will be 8. And if you move it on the next side, c will become actually 8. So the equation will be y is equal to minus 2x plus 8. I hope you guys understand. If you have any problems, please do let me know. That should be all from Lord Gifty himself.